The photography world is currently standing on the edge of a massive cultural shift. And at the absolute center of this storm is a single camera line that has defied every single trend of the digital age. For years, the industry has pushed us toward clinical perfection, ultra-high megapixels, and bodies that look more like miniature computers than actual instruments of art. But there is a passionate group of creators who rejected that path, choosing instead the tactile, deliberate, and deeply emotional experience of the Fujifilm X-Pro series. It has been years since we saw a new iteration of this legendary rangefinder-style body, leaving purists, street photographers, and professional documentarians wondering if the line was quietly left behind in favor of more mainstream models. The silence from the engineering bays in Japan has been deafening, fueling rumors, intense forum debates, and speculative leaks across the global creative community. Today, everything changes because the curtain has finally been pulled back on what is easily the most anticipated, controversial, and revolutionary development in modern camera history. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We are diving deep into the absolute reality of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, unraveling the massive updates, the secret engineering decisions, and the incredible internal architecture that defines this 2026 masterpiece. This is not just an incremental step forward. It is a profound declaration of what photography should feel like in an era completely dominated by artificial intelligence and automated smartphone algorithms. The journey to the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 has been anything but smooth, marked by intense internal debates within Fujifilm about how to honor a legacy without becoming a fossil. When the previous model hit the market, it polarized the community with its hidden rear LCD screen, a design choice meant to force photographers to look through the viewfinder rather than constantly reviewing their shots. Some hailed it as a stroke of genius that brought back the pure joy of film, while others found it frustratingly restrictive for modern hybrid workflows. This tension is exactly where the design team started when blueprinting the new camera for 2026. The core philosophy of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 remains fiercely unchanged. It is a camera designed to get out of your way and force you to engage with the physical world around you. However, the technology powering this philosophy has undergone a staggering evolution, introducing a brand new sensor architecture and a processing engine that completely redefines how light is captured and translated into deep human emotion. At the beating heart of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 lies the newly engineered X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, paired seamlessly with the blistering speeds of the X-Processor 5. This combination allows the camera to achieve a native resolution of 40.2 megapixels, a massive jump that brings medium format levels of clarity into a highly portable, discrete rangefinder body. But high resolution means absolutely nothing if it lacks soul. And that is where the 2026 update showcases its true engineering brilliance. Fujifilm has completely overhauled the pixel structure to dramatically improve light gathering efficiency at the submicron level. This means that despite the dense pixel layout, the base ISO has been lowered, delivering a level of dynamic range and tonal graduation that was previously unthinkable in an APS-C sensor format. When you look at the raw files coming out of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, the shadows retain an incredible amount of clean, noise-free detail, while the highlights roll off with a soft, organic quality that closely mimics classic analog film stocks. For the USA market and street photographers working in the fast-paced, unpredictable environments of cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago, speed and accuracy are the differences between an iconic shot and a missed opportunity. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 introduces a completely reimagined autofocus system driven by deep learning artificial intelligence algorithms. This system doesn't just track human faces and eyes. It recognizes complex human posture, tracking subjects even when they turn their backs, walk behind obstacles, or move through intensely crowded environments. The predictive tracking capabilities are so advanced that the camera,